What is up, everybody? It's Don with the Don Tech, and today I wanted to bring you another Don Tech Minute, and we're going to talk about the top 5 ways you can help your PC or Mac last longer. The first thing I'm going to recommend is to turn off your computer when not in use for an extended period of time. If you put it into hibernate a lot, you leave it plugged in all the time, that can shorten its lifespan. So usually what I do with my equipment, if I'm done with it, which is usually at night, I just turn it off. They turn back on fast enough in the morning. That's the best thing I can recommend. Secondly, clean them. Make sure your equipment is clean. Using compressed air, using Windex on a paper towel, dusting it, all that sort of stuff. Treat it like something else inside the house that is important. Another one is going to be to browse smartly. And that pretty much means being careful of any erroneous emails, any erroneous links, making sure you know what websites you're visiting and what you're downloading. Because if you do things that are not safe, not that you'll kill the computer sooner, but you can make it seem as though your machine is not running as well because it's either slower, filled with viruses, something like that. The fourth one is going to be a little bit of a twofer, and that's going to be don't let other people borrow your computer. Don't let your kids borrow it unless it's a kid's computer. Don't let your friends borrow it. You don't know what they're going to do with it, because similar to what you need to make sure you don't do, don't spill liquid on it, don't drop it, don't throw it, don't eat food over it, don't be rough with the equipment. If it's always in your sight, you would know what you're doing with it. If it's in somebody else's, you don't know what they're doing with it. And the fifth, and quite possibly the best thing to do, is to invest in a uninterruptible power supply, or a UPS for short. That's going to have a line conditioner inside of it that will prevent any electricity that's going to be bad with surges, brownouts, spikes, something like that. Even if it's connected to a laptop, that is good because it's going to be giving it conditional, good, 100% clean power through and through. Every single electronic device that I care about is on one of those uninterruptible power supplies, and my stuff doesn't break. So thank you again for joining me for this quick little Don Tech Minute. I hope this helps you. Give me a like if you liked it. Give me a dislike if you have better ideas for how to make your computers last longer. Subscribe if you want to see more content like this, and remember, the Don's got your back.